Alright, so that was probably the hardest part of the whole job, was getting that capacitor out of there. Ended up having to call my 13-year-old daughter out here to get her hands in there to unscrew that bolt right there. So I got the old one out. This is the old one. You can see it's pretty dirty, a little bit swollen, and this is what's causing the problem. So this is my new one. This one cost me $12.95, you know, and then plus some tax and shipping. Actually, I think I got the shipping free on this. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your numbers are exactly the same. I gotta, let's see if I can focus on here. It's a 45.5, 50/60, and 370 voltage. And then this is the exact same. Looks a little bit different, but it's the same numbers, and so this one should do good. So all you're going to do is you're going to slide this in there just like the other one was. Let me see. Oh boy, it's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to have to squeeze it in. I'm going to have to undo this bolt a little bit more and squeeze it in there, and then reconnect my wires exactly like they were, my yellow, my brown, and my blue. And then we will start it up and see how it is. So let me pause it and get this in there.